Hello kids! Welcome to our fun learning time. Today we are going to learn the A to Z alphabet together. Are you ready to learn your ABCs? Let's begin our alphabet adventure. Letter A. This is the letter A. Say A with me. A is for apple. Apple starts with A. Let's say it again. A, apple, A. Letter B. This is the letter B. Say B with me. B. B is for ball. Ball starts with B. Say it again. B, ball, B. Letter C. This is the letter C. Say C with me. C. C is for cat. Cat starts with C. Say it again. C, cat, C. Letter D. This is the letter D. Say D with me. D. D is for dog. Say it again. D, dog, D. Letter E. This is the letter E. E is for elephant. E, elephant, E. Letter F. This is the letter F. F is for fish. Say it. F, fish, F. Letter G. This is the letter G. G is for grapes. Say it. G, grapes, G. Letter H. This is the letter H. H is for hat. Say it. H, hat, H. Letter I. This is the letter I. I is for ice cream. Say it. I. Ice cream. I. Letter J. This is the letter J. J is for juice. Say it. J. Juice. J. Letter K. This is the letter K. K is for kite. Say it. K. Kite. K. Letter L. This is the letter L. L is for lion. Say it. L, lion, L. Letter M. This is the letter M. M is for monkey. Say it. M, monkey. Letter N. This is the letter N. N is for nest. Say it. N, nest, N. Letter O. This is the letter O. O is for orange. Say it. O, orange, O. Letter P. This is the letter P. P is for parrot. Say it. P, parrot, P. Letter Q. This is the letter Q. Q is for queen. Say it. Q, queen, Q. Letter R. This is the letter R. R is for rabbit. Say it. R, rabbit, R. Letter S. This is the letter S. S is for sun. Say it. S, sun, S. Letter T. This is the letter T. T is for tiger. Say it. T, tiger, T. Letter U. This is the letter U. U is for umbrella. Say it. U, umbrella, U. Letter V. This is the letter V. V is for van. Say it. V, van, V. Letter W. This is the letter W. W is for watch. Say it. W, watch, W. Letter X. This is the letter X. X is for xylophone. Say it. X, xylophone, X. Letter Y. This is the letter Y. Y is for yak. Say it. Y, yak, Y. Letter Z. This is the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Say it. Z, zebra, Z. Review section. Quick A to Z recap. Wow, kids, you learned all the letters. Let's say them together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Amazing job! Great learning today, kids. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, watch more ABC learning videos. See you next time.